Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to set up your SPF, DKIM and DMARC. So you will authenticate your domain and will in higher probability will land in the inbox or not in the spam. So it's super simple, and let's get started. You go to Google and type in Google Toolbox, click on search, and then click on check MX. The next step is putting your domain here. I will put mywormy, for the example, mywormy.io, and run checks and see that everything is green and everything is okay. And I will show you right now how to set up your SPF, DKIM and DMARC. In this video I will show you how to set up your DKIM. So to start, please in the Google search bar search for Google Admin and click here on Google Admin and sign into your account, and this is how it will look like. So what the next step we're going to do is click on apps, then you click on Gmail and scroll down until you will see authenticate email setup, email authentication, DKIM. Here you will see the value, and you have two things here. This is the first one and the second one is here. And what we're going to do is to go to your domain provider and pass there this information. Now go to your domain provider and find your domain that you want to set up the DKIM. Click on DNS and let's create the DNS record. So we will click add, choose txt, then go back to your DKIM. So you copy this and paste it here, copy all of this and paste it here, and click add record. To set up the DMARC, you will need two values. The first is that one, and the second is this one. So what we're gonna do is go back to our domain provider, click add, choose txt. In the name we will put this value, and this value we'll paste it here, and then click add record. To set up the SPF, again go to your domain provider, click on add, in the type choose txt, in the name put this sign, in the value paste this value and click add record. So you can see it here. This is the value you need to paste. Thank you so much for watching the video. To check that everything is working properly, go again to Google Toolbox, put your domain, and run the test again to see that everything is green. This here is okay and everything works correctly. Thank you.